It's a pretty and early morning out here. It's about 5:45 on Father's Day, and I'm sneaking out for a short session looking for some panfish. So I'll be out here on the kayak paddling around the Tar River and seeing if I can find some shell crackers and other panfish, because I'd like to fry some panfish up in the near future. I will see you when we have some fish. A little better. On to keep. It's getting better. We're back here at the dock. We had a decent day. We got 16 fish. We didn't exactly slay them. Most of them were pretty undersized. This is about the best brim we got. You know, it's a little bit under the size of my hand. We only ended up keeping about 6 fish, but we had a good time out there. So if you get a chance and you enjoyed this at all, please click the thumbs up and also subscribe if you get a chance. Have a good one.